Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to send XRP from Ledger to Kraken. First, ensure your Ledger device runs the latest firmware for optimal security and functionality. Next, install the XRP application within your Ledger Live desktop application. Finally, log into your Kraken account and carefully locate your unique XRP deposit address and the required destination tag. This thorough preparation ensures a smooth and secure transfer process. With your Ledger connected and unlocked, open the XRP app on both your device and Ledger Live. Within Ledger Live, navigate to the Send tab and select XRP as the cryptocurrency you wish to transfer. Carefully input your Kraken XRP deposit address into the recipient field. Remember to also enter the specific destination tag provided by Kraken. This is crucial for your funds to arrive correctly. Before finalizing, meticulously double-check all transaction details displayed in Ledger Live, especially the recipient address and destination tag. These must match exactly what Kraken provided. Your Ledger device will then prompt you to confirm the transaction on its screen. Carefully review the amount and address one last time. To approve and broadcast the transfer, press both buttons on your Ledger device simultaneously. After approving on your Ledger, the transaction will be broadcast to the XRP network. You can then monitor your Kraken account for the incoming XRP deposit. Transfers usually complete within a few minutes, but network congestion can sometimes cause slight delays. Once confirmed, your XRP will be available in your Kraken wallet. Remember, life's too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough with a lifetime warranty. Check the description for a link to these amazing socks and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.